Welcome to the final lecture in our JSON module. We have learned how to load JSON from a string. Now, we cover the reverse process, serialization or dumping, where we convert a Python dictionary or list into JSON format and write it directly to a file using the json.dump function. 1. Preparing Python data. We start with a standard Python dictionary, project_setting, which contains nested dictionaries, numbers, strings, and even the Python none value. This object is what we want to serialize and save. Two, dumping data to a file. The core function is json.dump. Unlike json.dumps, which returns a string, json.dump takes two required arguments: the Python object to be dumped, which is project_settings, and the file object where the data should be written, which is f in our with block. This writes the entire JSON data structure to the settings.json file in a compact, single line. 3. Pretty printing with indent. While the compact JSON is machine efficient, it is hard for humans to read. We can format the output using the optional indent argument. By setting indent to 4, Python adds 4 spaces of indentation for each level of nesting, making the output file much more structured and readable for debugging or configuration purposes. To summarize, json.dump is how you write Python data to disk in the universal JSON format. This concludes our JSON section. Next, we will begin our introduction to the modern data application framework, Streamlit. Our next section is Introduction to Streamlit, starting with Lecture 41.01. Introduction. See you there.